I'm Ryan with Prudential Pest Solutions, and today we're going to talk about how to keep rodents and pests out of your home or business by ensuring that the seals around your doors are in good shape and doing what they're supposed to do. So we can talk about rodent control, and I have a lot of other videos that show that, about using bait and traps and all this kind of stuff. But the most common way that rodents and pests get into your home or business is through garage doors and front doors. And the reason for that is because the seals at the bottom of those doors, they're made of rubber. They wear out over time, and they're just not built for preventing mice and pests from biting and chewing through them. So oftentimes I'll see, especially on a business, I'll see that the front door of a business, they'll have rodent control stations around the outside of the front door. And that's great for lowering their population, but the bottom of the front door is wide open. Well, that doesn't make any sense, right? So why don't we replace that with something, with the seal at the bottom of that door, with something that the rodents and the pests can't chew through? So here's an example of a bottom door seal. And it's rubber coated. This is a typical garage door seal that you would, or a typical door seal that you would find on a commercial property, even residential sometimes too. And the purpose is to keep water and dust and debris and bugs out, but it's just rubber, so pests can just, or rodents will just chew right through the corner here. So what we do, instead of just replacing it with just a standard rubber seal, is this one here actually has steel mesh inside of it called Xcluder. So here's a roll of Xcluder here, and what it looks kind of like steel wool, but it's a woven metal mesh that's actually inside of this seal here. So that what happens is when mice try to chew through, and they like to chew right at the corner here, and I'll show you some pictures of what that looks like, but they'll try to chew in right through here, and then they're right into the building. Well, with this, they can chew through maybe the rubber exterior, maybe, but on the inside is this Xcluder, and they're not chewing through that, I promise you. So what we do is, instead of just saying, well, you know, let's just throw some more bait around, no, let's actually keep them out. And that's how we do it with this seal here. So this is our commercial grade seal. Another way that on the residential side that mice and rodents and pests get in is under the garage door seal. So this is what the bottom of your garage door seal looks like. Again, same purpose, it keeps pests and dust and debris out, but how easy is it for a rodent to chew right through this rubber? Pretty easy. I mean, they could chew through wood. So again, same thing is that we'll replace that flimsy rubber seal with this one. And it has that Xcluder built right into it. So the idea is not just to replace the seal, which will help definitely with bugs and snakes and that sort of thing from getting into your business or your home, but this is more longer term, right? This is more proactive. This is making sure that they can't chew through what we put down. So even if they chew through the outer rubber layer, there's still Xcluder mesh through there they're not getting in, and we'll be able to see that activity. Now, door seals are the easiest thing for us to do to keep your home or business pest free. So if you have a pest issue, whether it's rodents, mice, snakes, bugs, what have you, and your current exterminator is just throwing bait around or just saying, hey, listen, that's just the way it is, you live out in the woods, no. Let's replace it with things that keep the pests out permanently, and that's what these products do. So if you want to make sure that your home or business is rodent and pest free, give Prudential Pest Solutions a call or text us at 484-401-4361.